How to receive donations on Wise. Looking for a simple way to accept donations worldwide? Let's see how Wise makes it easy. So start by creating a Wise personal or business account. After that, you need to verify your identity to unlock international payment features. Now open a balance in the currency you want to receive donations in. So for example, I want to receive donations in Canadian dollars. I'll simply select this. Wise gives you local bank details like IBAN for euros or routing number for US dollars. Donors can send money directly without international transfer fees. Share your Wise bank details with donors. They can send donations via their bank card or Wise transfer. Funds arrive straight into your Wise balance. If you have a Wise business account, you can create payment links or invoices. Donors click the link, pay in their currency, and the funds go directly to your Wise account. Hold donations in multiple currencies, convert instantly at the mid market rate, or spend with your Wise card. Withdraw to your local bank anytime. And that is how to receive donations on Wise.